Yo, out and about again. Look at that blue sky. Beautiful. Let's get down that river. I've got some apples for the beavers tonight, so hopefully they're hungry and they want a bit of apple. Gonna get that drone up as well. Look at those lovely clouds as well. Let's get that drone up into that. Mental. Yeah, so let's hope they're hungry for a few apples. They're quite nice actually. I had a few slices when I was cutting them up. Right, so I'm going to walk up here, get my drone up, and then I'm going to go down there, sit on the tree, throw the apples in, and hope for the best. Yeah, mate. Beaver material. Looking good though. Coming a different way today. So I'm going to take my drone right low and then up high. Get the views in. Oh, I love this time of year, man. Oh yes. Anyone would think Rambo's out tonight, beaver spotter. All I need now is my camo jeans. So yeah, I am almost at the spot. God, the sun is going down quite early now, isn't it? Bring on autumn, mind. Autumn and winter, mate. Drone in, oh yes. Like I said, I've had my drone for a year now. Renewed my licence and that. So happy days. Oh, it's lovely out. It's not so hot. Lovely breeze. Anyway, let's get some footage tonight, Damien. I will be back. Apples are in. Can we get them, beavers? Well, that was pretty cool. I caught a slight glimpse of the kingfisher that lives down here. Got kind of the silhouette of it. I couldn't quite get it in focus, so it's not a very good shot, but you know, it's nice to see kingfishers down here, man. And I've seen 3 separate beavers. Excuse me. Mate, how close they were with me is unbelievable. Honestly, such a nice experience, man. But it's getting a bit cold now. It's 7:30 and the sun's almost down, man. So yeah, those nights are creeping in already. Anyway, same as usual. I'll do a little video, put it all together, put some music to it. I hope you guys enjoy. Anyway, guys, I will catch you on the flip side. Peace out, people. Beaver material.